Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to put nickname on Instagram in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to set your nickname for someone on your Instagram chat message, I'll walk you through a few simple steps. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To put a nickname on Instagram, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. The Instagram direct message screen will appear, showing a list of chats with your friends. Find and open the chat where you want to put a nickname. You are now on the chat conversation screen. From here, tap on your friend's name at the top of the screen. A new profile page will open with various settings options. Find and tap on the nicknames option. You will now see your name and your friend's name. To set your nickname for your friend, tap on your name from the list. A pop-up screen will appear. Enter your desired nickname in the nickname section. Once you've added the nickname, tap the Done button. Your nickname has been successfully set, and only you and your friend will see it in the chat.